I don't know how well anybody's going to be able to hear this, but I think it's an alien, or a monkey, or maybe coyotes attacking a bunch of raccoons in a tree over there. It's terrifying. Steve, Fraisia, how do you feel about the alien?
I fucking hate it. It's a monkey.
Oh, we're monkey.
Those, like, it sounds like out of Star Wars or some shit.
Kind of like to fall down on that stairs like that so I can see.
Yeah.
And then die.
And then it's gonna be one of those big monkeys from Attack the Block with the glowing teeth.
Maybe he has a gun.
God, we can only hope. That would wake up everyone.
He still has his broom. He still has his broom.
That's all he needs. Or is that, did he make a noise?
I think those are fine guys.
Oh, what was that?
Oh, what is? Oh, is it throwing water bottles?
No.
Oh, I think he might be.
Yeah, maybe.
No, I think that was like a water bottle.
That thing's fucking moving, unless it's water.
It was water bottle, I think.
Because that was weird, and there's a big splat.
I think that guy's throwing. I think so.
Let's just set some shit on fire.
Get out of the tree.
I love when it's silent for like 20 seconds and all of a sudden it's like,
Yeah. It's good stuff.
What? Oh my god.
Ooh!
Oh.
What was that?
What just
It
happened?
was on the balcony, I think. Somebody fell off that fucking balcony.
Something fell. Oh god. Something fell hard on the concrete.
Dude, that fell hard. I
Yeah, I
can't.
heard it just crack.
It sounded like a flashlight.
God.
Because it was a light?
It sounded like a bunch of bodies.
God, I can literally see the trees moving right there. It's not like super high, but
Maybe it was a whole bunch of pine cones falling?
No, it was like a light.
Like
I saw it was a light. Yeah.
oh, so there's light.
I think there's a dog stranded on that fucking patio now that is trying to get. I don't know what's happening, but that guy just said it's trying to go for something, whatever it is.
It's gonna go over there.
Yeah, let's see if it'll come out. I don't see it. Where's the coyote?
Maybe it's gonna wing
It's
back.
coming up. It's coming up.
It's walking up
It's
these
coming
stairs.
back.
I just moved
So
in.
we've got it confirmed that it is a coyote.
There's a coyote on my front.
It in fact was not a monkey or an alien. I'm just as disappointed as you are.
The coyote just came from around. It came nowhere from where that was.
Coyote heard the ruckus.
Maybe the coyote was
Can
like,
coyotes climb trees now?